Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove those you may like suggestions on TikTok. First, open your TikTok app and make sure you're logged in. Once you're in, tap on the search icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your recent searches. To clear these out, just long press on each one, or tap the small X icon next to them to remove them individually. Clear out the full search history if possible. After that, head back to the main screen. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the three-line menu at the top right, and from the options, go to Settings and Privacy. Once inside, tap on Notifications, then scroll down until you find the option that says Personalized Post Suggestions. You'll see 3 toggle switches there. Go ahead and turn off all 3 to stop TikTok from showing you those you may like suggestions based on your activity. Now go back. If you want to further improve your experience, scroll down in the settings and tap on Help Us Improve. In there, you can let TikTok know if the suggested content wasn't relevant or personalized. Choose the options that apply, like Not Interesting or Not Relevant, and then hit Submit. After submitting, tap Done. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful TikTok tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.